Right, welcome to this quick unboxing of the iPhone Air in sky blue. Bought this the other day just to see how it is, mainly for my brother, but he's ended up changing his mind, so let's unbox this and show you how it looks. I mean, it's already been unboxed, so this is just literally for YouTube, but first impressions of the phone is it's incredible. If you've used this in the Apple Store, you can tell how slim it is. Just holding it, it feels like it's literally just glass. It's incredible. Inside the box, as you've seen from other videos, you just get an instructions manual and then the USB-C cable. And let's peel this off. As you can see here, I am filming with the 17 Pro Max, so this is my daily driver. I got the silver one, as you can see. So let's boot this up and then I'll do the quick start and then we'll actually get the phone loaded up and then just go through it. Don't know if the color pops here, but as you can tell, this is the sky blue. You've got gold, silver, and then black. And then it is made with a titanium frame. Let's do quick start. I'm just gonna set this up as fresh, and then once that's done, I will show you how it looks. I mean, I'm pretty sure you've seen a lot of these, but yeah, this is just for my sake here. I am really impressed with how this phone feels. Honestly, it is incredible. I think this is one of the best designs Apple have made in a while. The thinness of this phone is unbelievable, honestly. You do have the single camera lens here, which can be a downside for quite a lot of people. For me, I love using my my ultra wide and my telephoto. I just think it's really nice. I also took some incredible photos just yesterday, which I'll show you on the screen. And yeah, for me, I'm just a big fan of having the extra 3 cameras. I don't think I'd be able to do the single camera as well, so I know a lot of people have been complaining about that. Battery life, yeah, it isn't that great apparently, but if you're someone that continues to just charge your phone wherever you are, if you have a power bank or anything, then it should be pretty much fine. You've got a 6.5-inch screen here. You've got the single microphone, which is where the earpiece is, and then you've got your mics here. Again, that's another drawback for a lot of people. I know they've complained about the speaker noise and how it's not all that, but I think it's something that you just need to try out yourself and then see how you feel about it. But again, I can't just shut up about the design. The design is incredible. I honestly love it, and I think this could be the precursor to the iPhone Fold, which essentially will be 2 of these put together to make one giant device. And I am looking forward to that, though I do expect that to be a lot more pricier than the Pro Max is. We're looking around probably 1800 minimum, which is roughly what Samsung priced their Folds at. So yeah, let's get this set up. If you do have the iPhone Air, let me know how it is for you, whether you plan to keep it or not, how everything feels, how your battery life is, and the camera. I think the main camera here is from the 15 Pro Max, not the actual 17 camera, so that could be a game changer for a lot of people. I mean, I'm coming from the 15 Pro Max and the camera for that was incredible as well, so for me, I just needed a change, and I honestly just opted for the 17 Pro Max. Okay, this is taking a while. Hopefully this should be done pretty soon. yeah, I mean, the colors for the Air variant are incredible this year, I think. The gold looks incredible. You've also got the black, which a lot of people wanted for the Pro Max, but unfortunately that's not them. Whereas for the Pro Max, you've got the silver, you've got the deep blue and the orange. um there's something about the orange, I don't like it, but then at the same time I do like it. It just feels really, it looks nice, but I don't know whether it's a device I could keep with that color. It's just very in your face, in my opinion. I've seen a lot of people with the phone. I went to Apple yesterday to get this, and there was a lady who was demonstrating how to do photography, and she had the orange iPhone. And then when I was in Trafalgar Square and Oxford Street, I did see quite a few people with the orange iPhone. I saw one deep blue, and I saw, I think, one or two silvers. So yeah, this is the iPhone Air. And start up, you've got all the normal apps here. I'll try and show you how the device compares against my 17 Pro Max. So I'll probably switch to the iPad mini camera here. But yeah, it is quite nice. I think all these apps need to download. I don't know if it needs Wi-Fi or not. I assume it needs Wi-Fi. Otherwise, it'd be a bit odd. Yeah, I'll probably wait till these download and then play around with it. But let me do a quick comparison between the iPhone Air and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So we've got the iPhone 17 Pro Max here, and then we've got the iPhone 17, well, the iPhone Air. This is how they both look from the back, and then side view here. So you can see the thickness between the 17 Pro Max and the Air. A big difference, as you can tell here. Size wise, roughly the same. Obviously the Pro Max is got a bigger screen by I think 0.4 inches, so there's that. But yeah, that's just a quick unboxing of the iPhone Air. Let me know what you guys think of the phone, whether you're gonna buy it or not. I just think this looks incredible. As always, thank you for watching this video. Leave a like, press that subscribe button, and until next time.